And our coverage continues. Welcome back. Let us take in some of the happenings in Kingston. As we would have reported, we also experienced flooding as well as rainfall and strong gusty winds in Kingston. Here's Kirk Wright with our report.
In Waterhouse, along the gully bank, danger. Huge sections of the wall along the Sandy Gully collapsed. Residents like Kimon Fender were on edge.
Especially now that I have a 4-year-old, and with this Category 5 hurricane that is coming, I see whereas there's a possibility that the gully may give way. And growing up, I've experienced burial, I've experienced Ivan, and the gully was still standing in all honesty, but this is the worst that we have seen it.
Ms. Fender says she did not choose to live there.
In all honesty, it's my mom's home, and then I came here when I was about 6 years old, and you know what it is that your mom and your father provide. We just decided that, okay, then we're just going to build on top of it and see how best we can make things happen for us.
Community activist Chris Constantine says the situation has existed for approximately 5 years and that their Member of Parliament, Anthony Hilton, has been trying to get the authorities to fix it.
He inspected the thing, he engaged the National Water Commission and NWA. NWA at the time, I guess they said they couldn't do anything because they didn't have any funds. National Water Commission, they came out and they repaired the sewer line because it was broken and the stench was really high.
Let me ask you, what do you think prevented it from being repaired?
I don't know, it seemed like there was some kind of delay within the agencies, and there was an issue that I can remember with NWA that they said they didn't have any funds that were allocated to fix the gully at the time. Yeah, and since then it has been just deteriorating over a sustained period of time. The plates were actually close up to which part they were separated from until some more rain came and washed the plates further down the stream.
Over in McGregor Gully, just before Hurricane Melisssa made landfall, a feast was about to happen. It's one of the communities in the corporate area notorious for flooding, and with that, last-minute preparation.
Reporting live from front page, McGregor Gully. We are awaiting Melissa.
In Seaview Gardens, another community prone to flooding, entertainers trot their stuff on the street corner, creating a vibe before the hurricane. A resident showed us a drain in phase 1 that often floods and says some of the flooding is caused by humans.
The reason for the people and some part of here what we call it soakaway land, they dump it up. And that's the problem. Because when the sea level rise there, it go over that. And it have a rise where the water stop. So the people dump it up.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.